Load up double set. There are several ways how to obtain training changes which can bring better muscle development. Some people say that the training exercises must be changed more often in order to get a better development. Some other people are saying that the intensity and changes in tempo and order of the exercises are better. I think that both are right, but as for the changes in exercise, it has its limits, as there are several exercises which cannot be changed, as they are considered as the base for a healthy muscle development. From this reason, I prefer personally the changes in the intensity and in the order of exercises. Today, I will speak about different intensity training methods. I already spoke in my videos about supersets, when two different exercises for different muscle groups are done as one set. For example, biceps curls in superset with triceps pull downs. Another way are combined sets, where two movements for the same muscle group are done as one set. For example, biceps curls with barbell and biceps curls with dumbbells seated on an inclined bench. There is another very popular system to raise the intensity of training: drop sets. You do one set with a certain heavier weight, and immediately after you do another set with a lighter weight. When I was recently abroad, I saw in a gym a very interesting workout of an older bodybuilder, about 45-50 years old, and I asked him whether such training, what he's doing, brings him more intensity. He explained me that he produced that system on a basis of the Dorian Yates training of 3 sets, first one as starting set, second one as preparation set, and the third one as heavy working set. The way how he was getting his maximum intensity was that he was putting together a loading up double set. I am testing this system just now and I feel very confident about it, but everybody must try on his own at least for 3 to 4 weeks this system. The loading up double set must be used by all exercises. I give an example. Shoulder press machine. You do the first set with an easier weight, but doing 12 to 14 reps. Immediately after, you load up the weight from 10 to 20% and you do again 6 to 8 reps. 1 minute pause and again the same. And after another 1 minute pause, the same system in a third double set. Always starting with a comfortable weight for 12 to 14 reps and then loading up for a follow-up set of 6 to 8 reps. With other words, this load up double set, it's exactly the opposite to drop sets. Try it on your own and write me what is your personal experience and your personal feeling. Thanks for your attention and I wish you a nice workout.